Hi folks, Ted here at Impactful Analytics. Today I will show you how to reshape your data in Tableau in order to create a line chart, like this, that shows values over time. The data that we were given looks like this, where the values that you want to chart are in columns, and each column has a header of the date. You can reshape the data before loading it into Tableau using Excel or other tools. However, Tableau has given the user a way to transform the representation of your data. When loaded into Tableau, it looks like this, where you can see the dates, but they actually represent the values of your data. To do the transformation, select the names of the dates in this case, and right-click to transform and pivot. After the pivot, you will have pivot field values and pivot field names. To create a line chart, you need days. Currently, pivot field names is of type text. You need to change that to type date. Now, to create your line chart, you just need to put the field names in the columns and field values in the rows. You can get the lines for all 50 states by selecting marks with color, and then you can even refine your chart to be a little clearer to get the top 10 states. Thanks for joining. Please post your comments and let me know if this video was helpful.